This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's my pleasure to be here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, we're going to work on playing 5 different melodies that are written in tablature notation. These melodies will be played in the first position on the guitar, so within the first 4 frets, and stay on the top 4 strings of the guitar. That's what we're working on right now in this lesson series. We're working on reading tablature notation, so it's going to be great. Of course, while we're playing these 5 melodies together, we'll be jamming with the band. So it'll be you, me, and the band playing these songs, and it's going to be super fun. This video accompanies the Tablature Book from my Method Book series. In the book, we're going to be on pages 61, 62, and 63. We'll be doing songs 81 through 85, starting with number 81. And each one of these will happen at 2 different tempos. So we'll play it at a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. So I advise you start at the slower tempo and then try the faster tempo. When you're playing them, if you're fumbling through and you can't keep up with the video, it's a really great idea to, of course, pause the video, work on that part of the melody, add a slower tempo, then gradually come up to speed so you can play it right along with the video. If you take the time to do that, then you'll develop your technique much faster. As you're doing these, you also want to remember we're using our index finger to play the notes in that first fret, middle finger to play the notes in that second fret, ring finger to play the notes in that third fret, and pinky to play the notes in that fourth fret. What we're doing here, though, should be really familiar at this point, having done 80 songs before this. So we're really progressing through the book, and it's awesome. So we're just going to go ahead and jam together on these 5 melodies, playing them right in order. It's going to be great. Let's do it. awesome. I hope you're having fun with this. In the next video that comes out that goes with the Tablature Book, we'll work on some more melodies that are we're again playing on those top 4 strings in that first position part of the guitar. So it's going to be great. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.